So today we're going to go check out the Liquor Barn in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Not too far from the Corvette Museum. Let's go see what they got. So right as you come in the door, they had this little allocation table here. That's the Masters Keep Triumph. $320. It's pricey, but you know, it's just a bit pricey. Little Book Infinite, $230. That's also a little bit above MSRP. It's a sneakerhead one from 2XO. A couple of Murray Hills, Joseph Magnus there, and the old Legend Namagas, yeah, they're one of those. This is also their little bar. You can buy pours at almost all liquor barns, and it's some of the cheapest pours you can get pretty much anywhere. So, yep, if you're ever in a liquor barn, go and try it out. I would probably recommend giving that Little Book and the Bookers a bit of a go. It's pretty cool when you can try it out here and then see if you like it, and then go and buy it. That RD1, the Amberana, if you're into Amberana, that's a good one. And yeah, so huge stores. Liquor barns are always a big store, pretty fun to walk around. They have their main whiskey selection, and then they just have like end caps and stuff like that where more whiskey hangs out. You betcha, videotape in progress. Double at ya. And some Penelopes, some Barrel Strength, and the Architect. Most of the prices here are relatively reasonable. Some markups on some things, but yeah, not too bad. There's a Toasted Penelope. Not a huge fan of Penelope. It's fine, but not really my go-to. Ezra Brooks. Rebel 100. Not bad, but not really my scene. Here's a big selection of their Scotch and Irish. Bit of a zoom through because yuck. Yeah, that's just not my scene, but each to their own. What do we got up here? Ooh, Beer Night. That's got to be good. I don't know if that is good, actually, but it's got a cool sticker because it's got a beer. There's a Horse Soldier. Like, subscribe, and comment. Always good. See what... comment below. What do you think I should have picked up? What do you like? What's going on? All that good stuff. Some Jephthah Creed. Some more of the Murray Hill, and a bunch of different stuff going on here. 10 Day. So I guess that pays homage to like doctors and dentists and Prohibition, because you could get like a pint of whiskey every 10 days, and was sort of founded by 2 doctors and a dentist. No thank you. Stick to your day job, guys, and it might be fine, but doesn't really fill me with confidence. Some Peerless High Rye. That was named like frickin' best bourbon in the history of ever or some shit. And I think Prater has a buddy who wanted me to pick that up. Well, there it is, Prater, but I can't pick it up because I missed it. But apparently, best whiskey in the history of ever voted by somebody. Hard Truth, that's fantastic. All those Hard Truths are great. If you see them, give them a go. Iron Smoke, I've never seen it before, but $120. Let's check that out. Like online, it says it's $70 for that Iron Smoke Reserve, but $120 for 90 proof whiskey made by some chef. Like, come on, man. Like, I don't know. Now, this stuff could be interesting. I've heard some fairly good things about that. I think Homer and Amy are going to do a bit of a blind with some of the Limestone Farm stuff. So, yeah, that might be interesting. You got to have, I don't know, you can't just be some fucking dentists and doctors or chefs and just decide you're going to make a whiskey and charge $120 for it and have me buy it. I don't know. Maybe it's good. Let me know if it is. The Augusta 8, that's pretty decent. The Augusta 10's even better, and of course the Augusta 17's even better. Dark Arts, it's all really good stuff. I haven't actually bought a bottle of that, but I have tried pretty much all of them, and they've all been pretty damn good. The CEO, I think, came from like Wilderness Trail or something like that. So, yeah, they do some really unique blends, and you know, not too cheap, but still really good. And speaking of great blenders, Luke, that was there. There's some Woodenville. And G.W. Dant. Like, I really got to get myself a bottle of G.W. Dant. I think I even picked this up. I carried it around for a little bit, and then I put it down and forgot about it. But hey, I have tried it, and it is cheap, and it is not bad. There's the standard Maker's Mark single barrel store pick thing that pretty much everybody in the world's got. Good fun picking them, apparently. And some Stranahan stuff. They make some good single malt. If single malt wasn't disgusting, I would probably drink more of it. Lickin' River Rye. Everyone likes good lickin'. Fucking A. What's the story about this one? Yeah, just a story about stuff. Bottled in Kentucky. Bottled by. You're really looking for distilled by, you know, otherwise it's probably just MGP. Uncle Nearest, I don't even think Uncle Nearest distills their own stuff. I think they get it from, they used to get it from Dickel, and now I think they get it from maybe like Tennessee Distilling. So yeah, it's just interesting to see. That's fine. Like a lot of people, NDPs don't distill their own stuff, but I like it plainly spelt out if that is the case. And some of the barrel bourbon, absolutely crazily priced stuff, you know, $300. Some of it's really good. They've got a 33-year-old one coming out. It is a malt whiskey, I believe, but 33 years. Whole bunch of Four Gates there. Four Gates are normally all pretty good, but also pretty pricey, as long as, same with very old St. Nick. That's an old legacy label that has been rehashed, and some of it's good and some of it is just expensive. Nashville Barrel, they make some really good stuff, and that Liquor Barn pick is probably pretty good, but $180. Whew, getting pricey, man. Everything's getting pricey. This is Kentucky, so stuff is not overly cheap. Dickel 17, you can just leave that on the shelf. And the old Louisville there, looks like a rye for $160. 15 stars, that's pretty good, but it's a blend of like NGP, Dickel most likely, and other things that they put together. They make some good stuff. I think they're trying to do their own, and they've got something to do with popcorn. Like their family's into popcorn, and they want to start making bourbon out of the corn that's used for popcorn. So yeah, it could be interesting. And then some more barrel bourbon. That's all pretty good. The batch 35 is excellent, and I hear the batch 36 is pretty good too. Got the old Frank August, which is pretty good, $75. They have a couple of different models, and then the Ben Holiday, which is all pretty good value and pretty good stuff there. Down here, some Rabbit Hole. Not a huge fan of Rabbit Hole. And Wilderness Trail, which is also really good. Some of their picks are really good. Some of their special stuff, but even their standard stuff's all pretty good. And Calumet 16, that's a good one. 15 and 16 are really nice. And a buddy Ben, he loves his Calumet 8, and he said it used to come in a better bottle. So new bottle, not so good. The Pursuit, none of the double oak, which is unfortunate. But and then a bunch of Doc Swanson there, some High West and cask strength, and then there's that those ones with those like movie stickers on the front. I haven't tried them, but I hear it's not actually too bad. So these special edition Golden Hour Doc Swansons are starting to become a little bit more popular. I don't know if they just got released or whatever, but starting to see them more places. Blade and Bow. Yeah, so there's so many different bourbons on the shelf. So yeah, if you guys saw anything you've liked and tried, comment below. Let other people know, you know, what you like. There's Bardstown stuff, that's always good. That Silver Oak, that's pretty good. But what is great is that Bardstown High Wheat right there, the beige one. That's good. And yeah, there's a 9. Always looking for something a bit different. Looking for the really old ones, but they come harder and harder to find. And that green one's another one of their Origin series, their rye. I.W. Harper, 15 year. It's a nice bottle, but I've never actually tried it. And Willet Pot Still, yum. No, not yum, but that, yuck. Ugh. I should actually give that another go. If anybody's got a sample, shoot me a sample and change my mind on how fucking disgusting that bottle is, because I don't like it. I didn't like it last time. And some Pinhook and some Russells. Boone County, some of the Starlight stuff. 3 chords, it's that musician dude. Some more Nashville Barrel, their store pick. This is their store pick selection. Driftless Glen store pick, Old Soul, Dexter, chop your head off, Yellowstone store picks, RD1 store picks, Pursuit United store picks. So yeah, hope you liked this little video. I might even add another hunting video to this. How about that? How about an encore? Yeah, encore. Yeah, encore. Okay, it's gonna happen. I think I got another one I can just add to the end. This is 10 minutes, getting a bit long. Is it too long? How long should a hunting video be? I don't know. Maybe I'll end it here. Yep, I'll end it. Thanks for watching.